Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my Nashville hot chicken tenders. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay guys, so first let's make our marinade. To make our marinade, in a bowl, add 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, about 30 dashes of Tabasco, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now whisk it all together. And once the marinade is ready, add 2 pounds of chicken breast tenderloins and mix it with the marinade. Now cover with plastic wrap. Now we're going to allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours. Once we have marinated our chicken for at least 2 hours, now we can make our breading. For the breading, in a bowl, mix 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and all of the spices that will be listed all in the description box. Mix it until all combined. Okay, so as we have our breading, now we can get ready to dip our tenders. So I like to remove my chicken tenders from the buttermilk mixture. Okay, now that we have a tender, just going to grab it, dip it in the flour, make sure that it gets nice and coated, shake the excess, dip it back into the buttermilk mixture, shake the excess, and place it back to the flour. Okay, once we have it, we're going to place it into a cookie sheet and repeat the process. Once we have breaded all of our chicken, we're going to allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can get our oil ready. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken tenders in and allow them to fry for about 5 minutes or until they're fully cooked. After 5 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. So now we're just going to remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel. And it should be nice and crispy. Okay, so once we're done making our chicken, we're going to carefully grab 1 cup of the oil and add it to your spice bowl. And here we're just going to mix it and taste it and see if you need to adjust it to your liking. But for me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to dip our chicken tenders. Okay, now we grab our chicken tender, dip it in the sauce, place it in your plate, and of course, depending on how many you want, add it like that. I like to get some of the sauce, place it over, and of course, we can't forget our pickles, and these are my favorite. Just like that. Now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. They're seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, and let me tell you, this is honestly my favorite item from KFC. And last week I heard that they brought them back, and I was so disappointed because they were not what I remember they were. So definitely make them at home. So easy. So I am so ready. Hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Now, of course, you want to enjoy them and serve them as soon as they're done. But I'm ready. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously? The best. And of course, you can't forget the pickle. So good. I like it to be so spicy, but of course you can always adjust that to your liking. But this right here, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious Nashville hot chicken tenders. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.